What's up, guys? Do you want to start your own business and work from anywhere in the world? Do you want to leave your 9-to-5 job? Do you want to spend more time with loved ones, your family, making your own schedule? I'm going to show you how to do this exactly with an Amazon FBA business where we're selling physical products on Amazon.com. You know, by the end of this video, you know exactly how Amazon FBA works and how to get started. And then, you know, this is coming from a guy who, in my first year doing Amazon FBA, about 3 years ago, I did over $1.3 million in sales. I've never had a job outside of college, and it's just totally changed my life. Let's kind of talk a little bit more about Amazon FBA. So, when visiting Amazon.com and seeing all these products on there and you're searching, you're browsing, the common misconception is that Amazon.com, they actually sell these products. They own these products, they'll sell them to you. Well, that's true, but in a very small percentage. The shocking news comes from that over 50% of the actual items on FBA or on Amazon.com are sold by private sellers like me and you. Amazon actually encourages private sellers like you and me to sell on Amazon because they can scale a lot faster. They don't have to source all the products themselves. If they can get thousands and thousands of private sellers on there and expand their marketplace even quicker, they're all for that. You know, Amazon's all about growth. So with this, Amazon gives us a business model that's never ever existed in our lifetime. And that is the ability to run a business just from your laptop, which is crazy. You can work from anywhere. And you're probably asking me like, okay, it sounds great, but you know, you got to pick and pack these products yourself. You got to store these products yourself. You know, that sounds like a lot of work, Cameron. Well, actually, the FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, which is a service where Amazon will store your products. Every time a customer orders that product, they'll go ahead and pick and pack that product and ship it out, using mostly robots now. And this will make your business completely scalable. You won't even have to see your products if you don't want to, you know, besides maybe, you know, some videos for inspections or something like that. But this gives you the ability to be completely hands-off, work from anywhere around the world, spend more time with your kids and family at home. And it's an incredible opportunity. All right, guys, now I'm going to go through here and tell you step by step how Amazon FBA works. And I'm going to break this down into 4 simple steps for you guys so it's not, you know, too overwhelming. And, you know, the first step is we have to find a product to sell on Amazon.com. And not any product, a product with, you know, high demand and low supply. And the best way to find a product on Amazon, just because there's millions and millions and millions, and it's hard to sort through by hand and kind of see the data, the back end data. And this is, you know, using software makes this so much easier. So diving into my computer here, we're going to use a software called Viral Launch. So you can see here all these different categories, guys. These categories are all the categories on Amazon.com. So it gives it to you right here so you can sort through it, you know, very easily. And then over here we got monthly sales, monthly revenue, price, and review count. So this is a great way to sort through all these millions and millions of products on Amazon. We click down here, show products. It takes a little bit to load, and here we go. So it's showing you, you know, we got some tape here. We got a tobacco, smoking pipe, leather, you know, accessories kit, goggles. You know, it's showing you everything in that criteria. And it's got pages and pages and pages of these. So this is a great way to start product research and to kind of get your foot in the door and kind of find some product ideas that, you know, possibly you could sell. So, you know, this, you know, you can go right here. It's telling you, you know, profit 5.6 thousand a month, 8.7 thousand a month. You know, we're not going to sell any, you know, pills or anything like that. But, you know, goggles, it's selling goggles. You know, you're making $3.5 thousand a month selling goggles. So just shows you guys how cool this stuff is, and it just kind of helps you out sorting through, you know, the thousands and thousands of, you know, product niches on Amazon.com. So say you find your product on Amazon.com, you want to start sourcing it, right? And the best way to do this is with a site called Alibaba.com, which is a massive site, and it's the, you know, it's the Amazon.com of manufacturers. And so, you know, we can go here and, you know, say let's take one of these products here. Tobacco smoking pipe, leather tobacco pouch. So like a smoking pipe pouch. So we type that on here. Boom, we got all these suppliers that are producing these products to sell on Amazon for us. They're mostly in China, guys. That's kind of the manufacturing powerhouse of the world. And so looking on here, we got one from 380 to 480 a piece, 3 to 7. None of these, pricing is, it's not, set in stone. You have to start talking to the manufacturer to see if, say you get 500 units to start, you'll probably get a significant price cut, down to $2 maybe a pouch. And so that is kind of the next steps there. The best way I like to do this is, instead of products, I like to go to suppliers, click search here, and then you get all these different suppliers with all these different pouches or, smoking pipes. And you can see how long they've been in business, guys. 3 years here. They're a gold supplier, which is just a rating system on Alibaba.com, which is cool. You can see right here, guys, how many transactions they have, in the last 6 months, how large their order is based on that. That is how Alibaba works, guys. It's super simple. Say you find you like this manufacturer, you hit contact supplier. You can literally just send them a message here and get talking to them, get pricing, get specs, get all the stuff you guys need. All right, guys. So the third step now is, say you found a manufacturer, you found a product you want to sell to, you're all ready to go. Now you got to ship this product to Amazon in one of Amazon's warehouses. How do you do this? So the best way to get started is with something called DHL.com. Now, these guys do express shipping internationally. They're the world's best in this, right? I can order some products, and get it over here in 3 to 4 days internationally, which is just unheard of. And so using DHL.com, you can literally just get rate and time quote here, and you can get, quote your how much it would take, how long it would take to get your products over. Now, just as a tidbit, DHL is only good for products that are kind of lighter and more compact. This is air shipping, so anything heavy or large volume, DHL is going to be not price effective for. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for products. DHL will be great for cell phone cases or just something that's handheld or lighter, and that way you can get over here quicker. But anything over that, you might want to look into sea freight. Freightos.com is perfect for this. If you just go to, let's see here, solutions, they have a whole section for Amazon and e-commerce sellers, and then you're going to find rates. Just by signing up here, you'll get a quote either by air freight, which is a little slower than DHL. You take 7 to 10 days, or sea freight. So your bigger items that are heavy. The most cost-effective way to ship those is through sea shipping. So this takes about 30 days, but this is where you go for that, guys. So it leads us to step number 4, guys, and that is actually selling this stuff on Amazon. The first place you're going to want to go and set up is an Amazon Seller Central account. We can find this by just typing in selling on Amazon. If we Google it, it's the first thing here, sponsored. So if we go to the site here, you can see now, register now. This is where you set up your Seller Central account. This is where you can list your products. You can put your photos on there. You can start to advertise using Amazon PPC. It is $40 a month, just to let you guys know. There is an option where you can do an individual account where you don't pay that $40 a month. But when you start selling, definitely upgrade to this professional account because it'll unlock a lot of features for you. And it's only $40 a month. It's nothing crazy. But this is where the magic happened, guys. This backend of Seller Central is, how everything gets listed on Amazon.com, which is incredible. It's super well laid out for you. Everything you need to know is on there. They have seller support. You can message your customers. You can advertise. You can get inventory reports. You can get advertising reports. You can get business reports. You can get reports by ASIN, which is by each product. And so they made it into one place where you can go and take care of everything on Amazon. So it helps out a ton. So you don't have to have thousands and thousands of dollars put into other tools. It's all put into one here for you. Amazon makes that super simple. So those are the 4 steps to selling on Amazon. If it's helpful and it makes sense, give me a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Also like this video, guys. It mean a lot to me. Feel free to subscribe and hit that little notifications bell. But I just wanted to get you guys started, and obviously your first step is product research and looking into that. So don't be afraid to get started. Don't be afraid to ask me questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. So alright guys, hope that was super helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.